Alright, so let's see what else we got in my bag of tricks here. Definitely not a lack of practicing and prototyping here. By the way, most of this is samples or prototyping that I've created for myself, a large majority of it. Just trying to find something here that looks appealing. Oh yeah, and these are some practice websites. I have websites that I've also built, and I have C# folder as well. This is just the VB stuff. There is actually IIS stuff. There's websites. There's tons of stuff. Yeah, where did that trial sample go? Here's a trial sample. This is a trial sample that I made. I made a tutorial about this for people who are looking to learn how to make a trial. It's a very simple concept, but it's very powerful at the same time. And I'll go ahead and explain how it works. What I've done, since I'm using my Visual Studio Ultimate, I have a settings tab. I think in the Express editions you don't have this, but in my case I have it because I have the Ultimate edition. So I get all the bells and whistles. But anyway, what we're doing here, instead of creating a class to where we'd have to save and create that stream writer to store this information, we're actually saving it inside the executable itself, or within the application itself. So it's self-contained. So there's virtually impossible to tamper with it. So what we've done here is we've set our trial value to 5. So you can only have 5 times that you can open this application, and we've created a trial end boolean and set it to false. So when that is true, you'll no longer be able to use this application. In fact, let's go ahead and debug, and then we'll take a look at the code. So we have 5 uses remaining. We just click our continue button. We go back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. We're done. Yay, error message. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look and see how this works real quick. Alright, so what we have here, if we click our designer, lovely, very generic 2-second GUI that I built. Anyway, when we're referring back to the application, we have to say my.settings, because that's really where it came from, is the settings. The applications being my, and settings being what we want to actually make a call to. And then trial, which trial should be the variable name, which it is, or the object's name, which in this case I think it's just a variable. So, and then we tell it that if the trial is less than or equal to 0, then my settings.trial end equals true. Else, my settings.trial is going to just subtract 1, and it's going to show the form, and it's going to close. So if we actually go, there should be form 2. Yep, here's form 2. There should be a load event, I hope. Nope, no load event, so it must be back in form 1. Yeah, okay, I can't believe I completely missed over that. So, and if it's less than or equal to 0, it's going to throw this message. That was why we're getting the message. Otherwise, it's just going to go down here. Can't believe I completely did that. Wow. Anyway, so that's pretty much what's going on there. Alright, so that's the trial sample. I'll flip through here, and if there's anything else I can show sample-wise, prototype-wise, that is probably of any interest. In fact, I just thought of something that is. In fact, I'll show you SQL in the next one, in the next video real quick.